Certainly, let's explore the third video content idea, Pi Network Security, with detailed explanations. Hello, cryptocurrency enthusiasts, and welcome back to Starro Technology. In today's video, we're diving deep into an essential aspect of Pi Network security. Protecting your assets and personal information is paramount in the world of cryptocurrencies, and we'll walk you through the security measures Pi Network has in place. Why security matters. Before we delve into Pi Network security features, let's talk about why security matters in the world of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets, and just like with physical assets, you want to keep them safe from theft and unauthorized access. One of the key security measures Pi Network employs is Know Your Customer, or KYC verification. This is a process used by many cryptocurrency projects to verify the identity of users. When you register for Pi Network, you may be asked to complete KYC verification. This helps ensure that the network is used by real individuals and not malicious actors. Pi Network also offers a crucial security feature known as two-factor authentication, or 2FAU. Enabling 2FAU adds an extra layer of protection to your account. It typically involves receiving a one-time code on your registered phone number or email address whenever you log in or perform sensitive actions within the app. Speaking of passwords, it's essential to choose a strong and unique password for your Pi Network account. Avoid using easily guessable passwords and consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords securely. Another important aspect of security is understanding your private keys. Private keys are like the keys to your cryptocurrency vault. Never share your private keys with anyone and keep them stored in a secure and offline location, such as a hardware wallet or a paper wallet. Phishing scams are a common threat in the cryptocurrency space. Be vigilant and cautious when receiving emails, messages, or links related to Pi Network. Always double-check the source before clicking on any links or providing sensitive information. To stay informed and avoid scams, always rely on official Pi Network channels for information. Follow Pi Network's official website, social media accounts, and community forums to get accurate updates and announcements. To wrap up, Pi Network takes security seriously by implementing KYC verification, offering two-factor authentication, 2FAU, and emphasizing the importance of strong passwords and private key protection. Remember, in the world of cryptocurrencies, security is your responsibility. By staying informed and taking these precautions, you can help protect your Pi assets. If you found this video informative and helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more valuable cryptocurrency content. If you have any questions about Pi Network security or suggestions for future topics, feel free to drop a comment below. And remember, if you want fast internet at your workplace or your home, please leave a message on WhatsApp number provided in this video's description for more information and help. Thank you for joining us today. And remember, stay secure and happy mining.